What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today just as I was about to deliver the other 86 back to my client, I actually got another client that is coming over for a maintenance wash. So most of the detailing centers are not open right now, so there's not much choices around. Lucky for me, I work at home. So my client is sending his car over to do a full decontamination and maintenance and wax on his coating. So I haven't seen the car before, so I'm not really sure how is the car looking like. So I'll show you guys everything in a cinematic video as usual. Remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, press on the bell button for post notifications, and I'll see you guys at the end. Guys, so I'm done with the 86 maintenance wash, but because I forgot to end the video yesterday, so I'm ending the video right now. But I am going to be working on another car, which is a BMW X1. Yeah, so there's nothing much to talk about on the 86 because it's a quite straightforward job. So make sure you remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, press on the bell button for post notifications, and I'll see you guys at the next video.